Magandang hapon sa lahat. Good afternoon everyone. Let's have another video about Tagalog Affixes, and let's have something easy, and that would be tig. Tig. Hero, someone's busy playing. Tig. Tig is used with cardinal numbers like tig isa, tig dalawa, tig tatlo, tig apat, and it lets you know how many each would get. Example, if I say tig isa tayo, that means one for each of us. One for you and one for me. Tig dalawa. Tig dalawa means dalawa, two. Tig dalawa means two for each. Two for each person. So, we're going to bother Hero. I'm gonna need help. I got his attention. I have two dog treats. Okay? Example, sit down, sit first, sit, come on, sit. Tig isa kami, one for him and one for me. Tig isa kami, tig isa tayo, one for you, one for me. One for each of us. Here's one for the big boy. One for me. Of course, that's just an example. Also, I don't know if there's any clear rule on repeating the first syllable of the number, but to what I've noticed is that when there's more than two person, the first syllable of the number is repeated like tig iisa, tig dadalawa. Who's home? Let's say that there's gonna be one for Hero, one for me, and one for Pudra. That would be tig iisa. Tig iisa kami. That means one for him, and one for me. If I say tig dadalawa, that means two for each of us. But if we're just talking about Hero and me, tig dalawa kami. Two for each of us. But if we're going to include Pudra, that would be tig dadalawa kami. Are those chicken wings for tinola, Mama?
Yes.
So, siyam na piraso, tig tatlo tayo. Three for me, three for Pudra, and three for you.
Yeah.
Are you gonna help Tita say bye-bye? Say that's all, everyone. That's all, everyone. That's all for our Tagalog video. Still sleepy, Yo-Yo?